Hello guys, first time I'm doing video, something like that, then you can see me, then we can talk together, and I hope you will enjoy in this video like in my video before. My name is Vedran and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is about tattoo needles named PEPAX. I tried these needles, for me was pretty good needles, and I want to show you only to you, then you know my opinion about that. This is the box, I'm open it, and now I will open it one more time because I make it few tattoos with PEPAX needles and try PEPAX needles, and for me was good. You can see it in video Naruto versus One Piece. I do everything with PEPAX needles, but I want to show you. Here is one t-shirt. Here is something good for my collection. This is the small banner. Yes. Nice. I will put it something like here. Yes, better so. Great. I'm order how many boxes? 5 boxes. Yes. PEPAX has sent me 5 boxes, different type of needles. Here is 3 round shader, 5 round shader, 3 round liner, and bigger magnums, 23, 27. I tried everything, and for me was pretty well. I will show you why. Okay, I will. Naked and icon. This is the 101003 round shader. And blue spot is the sterilized, we air gas, and when it's not blue here, then not use it, of course. Now I will show you the in close, then you can see what for me was good in this needle, and because of shape, and very nice for me and very good for me. When I do it a longer tattoo session, sharpness is there, always sharpness is there. Not going, then it's after 2 or 3 hours working with the same needle, you need to change it, is perfect. Third, what was great for me, this shape going on 99% of rotary and pen style machine. I say have a safety membrane inside, and it's pretty good to stopping ink to pass through in your machine. What you can different buy it, you can order of course normal 0.25, 0.30 or 0.35. You can everything buy it from 1 round liner to 27 round magnum. You can buy it everything what you want. Taper, you got normal taper, you got long taper, small. In this case, I don't want too many, so discount. In my description below you will find one discount, which is the 10% of the next order. And if you order my account, my code, you get 10% price for box around 20 to 25 US dollars. Euro, I don't know now, but around 20 to 25 depends on the watch size and what peak you need. In this case, I don't need this one anymore. This is, I'm already